Baba and Founder GC and page so Mesro subscribe to my channel found some yavel so ube notification and the sun news at the betum be open your and as a ube your share GC and page ha meeting at the address searching. Honorable Kennedy a comprepon a Japan our year MP Dema Ascent Central and our Okase. Na eden sem and honorable Eka, honorable Nisema or Kenya say. Leaders are only fix the country demo ewo manga nemuno. They should all bow their heads in shame. Na adofie name say leaders are omo LED fix the country demo ewo manga nemuno eye okateche efrifa. Avram Ben Moshe and so Captain Smart same crofum yen some way and omu edi eye fix the country demonstration no emutin timban pa ewo omanga nemu. Na the honorable Eka said they should all bow their heads in shame nina and they say sa fix the country demo no mo eye no omo ko get to ekobwebo youth na no na ebi su na ebi yese no enya dia edisika eba begu youth no omo eboto anase ebete unemployment so ewo omanga nemu. Of course enyema bi enkoso yie ewo omanga nemu a omamba o every right bi ase o ye demoditia aban no se enyema ba ko mi bi wo ho a enye enti no onye na emomi no say mo be demonstration fix the country fix the constitution no enya de edisika ebegu youth no omo eboto na de edisika ebebre youth no na unemployment so ate ewo manga nemu eye honesty and afin so hard working. Na the honorable Eka sense na say Ghana youth no sebio ebimo empe adwumaden and ebimo so omo nya adwuma a omo ndi no kreba ko ba ko kra o de hwe se wa bia o company na wa fa obi se o meye adwuma ma time ope e no de ba adwuma e na mpo adwuma na obeba time ope e na adwuma o de ama se onye no obeye omo ye adwuma ne basa enti se o saki enipa na se enipa ko no akoka unemployment no na manfu so omo nya adwuma enya na ono so esu se onye adwuma enye forgetting say obi fa na adwuma mu no laziness e na no kwadi a onpenti ena enipa no eyi no adwuma na honorable e de ensem we etudwa e won na 2 TV program mo ye omo atudi the attitude with honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan and honorable e de ensem we etudwa say leaders a omo buabu youth na no e from so omo ye demonstration enfenti aban no we ye Ghana ni na say wo every right there because Ghana constitution no e wom say nyema bi enkoyi a utumi e yo ye kire de e kire aban say omo buabu nyama no anasa on fe nyema tutuye but face the country na mo kire say aban na ma youth na adwuma na omo enye no we ye youth a wan kasa so fa wonsa e ye adwuma na bre na mana no quality e na had adwumaden endi wani bu kwan e kan ne no e na ede obekọ kan anase ede sika ebegu botom into honorable e kire say leaders are omo LED face the country demonstration e wo Ghana hanom no omo wie na fa so be na de bre omo ema no mo ani engu na nsem se no e na honorable e de etudwa
o man go ahead say on fa sika no agent no muntie ni o o disca no bra agent no a na wakoma efie wura no 15,000 wonu wa fa $185,000 say oko invest kind for what be pay how mo see am fix it face your bogus mindset mo ana mo di line you should be ashamed of yourself say am fix it country when you have not fixed your bogus mindset and attitude you need to change any part of fact Kabrochire Juma Dene. Now what you save 200. Now $200,000 they will come to my Oko Banga with all the billionaires in America. If you have $200,000 in your account, they will bank education. Now what here agent no what first can $185,000. Say one more investing.
Wow.
I mean, do you understand? How can you comprehend? Say Obini ni sika onu better than what is coming you are going invest in. Omo ko chire no a watuye mu 100,000. You got to change.
Yeah.
Say an change nyamu Ghana. Mesi mo pa mo fa Yesu Kristo embra. Ontumi change Ghana da. And the very people omo ye evil in society. They are quick to go on demonstration. We are very evil people.
People to even categorize you. Which time you be phone no ye penny be A plus no ye penny Abraham no ye penny Captain Smart company I've sent this on go ni kaka no kwa no but company was say cross obia oh mo dem mo pana kwancha kana mo jimi no was say cross obia ana obia ba no ye penny o twene yana so unwia oba na o twene sen ka odwen ho no o twu phone si so na wo de e wo kasa kwampa yan tin na waka okay can see be hu hia or that's so you guys just some of you just want to come live just to come and talk for people to watch you keke. Charlie, Ghana pass the Charlie. The nation can never be built based on this mere and stupidity of some of the youth. The munya sa man across Ghana hono. And a young guy before funa no ye Kufuor, no ye ba or ye Mahama, no ye way, no ye NDC, no ye NPP. Charlie, you guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government to give you a job. Fine, there are certain things the government must do. They must fix the roads. Fine. That one definitely no. And individuals never. The government must fix the roads. The government must fix the roads. We understand that. They must fix the security system. Chromo say you make book America 10 to 15% per NIA government via public via. Nyaka individuals and companies they set it up. We can do the same thing in our nation Ghana. Ghana for more America, more Germany, more together. Now more such something. More can be you among Ghana. Ghana for good also. But there's no country to conquer Ghana for you. Ghana for baby Ghanaians are everywhere. We can do that. We can build a nation ourselves. We don't have to wait for any political party. We give this party 4, 5 years, 8 years on by. We feel like they're disappointing us. Then we wait for the next one to come. The same method. But by the time we realize no, we wouldn't be able to achieve our aims. So, Mr. Mekati on September, no, oh my God, Murphy. Strong. And she's saying something. So the Munyai, because my first year, I know Japan, but so and the idea said most of you claim to be Christians. Most of you also claim to be Muslims. I don't pass a Quran. I say many penny bupani. I don't say Bible. I say many penny bupani. But because of politics, and Timothy be politics, be some politics. Be abusing Ghana, be abusing Africa. And I'm a politics that Jim Musa, youth amoba. When I'm saying future generation, future leaders. Everything and what they call no. Or be a phone, no ye penny. They just take their phones, they come live, number live. It's very funny. They have people following you, whatever you guys are saying. Then I have a crow man. And then you are saying Jimmy Salmon. And then you are saying Jimmy Salmon. Now, oh, can you say, man, I was saved by online? No, no, man, was your comment. To say, Jimmy say, Jimmy. If you're going through hardship, must you come out this way? Say, "Bia, you ma we school no. Oh, ya ban, say, bibia ya ban, bibia ya ban." The cocan so almost saying to tell Butcher, and honey, Casa, Yemetragana. Jimmy Sam say, "Ya, now because we'll be to come America, has here, Nippon buy because of a hardship now." Some of us say, "Wow, you were Jimo Ghana Crawford, yes, I'm so school, yes, even though it's say no, we are citizens, so, but we don't plan to stay here." Ye plan say about town one Ghana. Nti ade ensu apo no nye say ye ensu a ade bia e normal e common. Ye ensu ne ebi ni Ghana ye ba ye tell bo man no. Ye be na mo ba kromo ase ya. Na mo ma say bia o to say mo nwen Ghana ho biem. Some of you come here, you don't think about Ghana again. You just want to live your life. You just want to have your house be in Ghana and your car be kwa tanse. You don't plan to go school. You ba be remember mo go school mo sua hwe Jimmy Sam nko Jimmy Sam. Una come on. Me say skebia sa allowance here, my first ladies, first and second lady. I did order that. And then, Madam Lodina Mahama or GB. Emma Becky, or also GB. And nobody can go and tell them so be a refund this cannot. And then more you guys should speak to your MPs to go and make sure that they will stand against the Constitution. Now I'm making amendments because the law provides that for them. Our Constitution says a mom allowances. And just say, oh, you're so naive, that's what we be we need factor. Don't just take a phone and come and sell Ghana in a very bad way to people. Say, oh man, Ghana no, leave this kind of mom with Jimmy Sam. Yeah, my wife, and then by force, say on refund this Kabia, what dear, what dear. Yeah, my Becky, or so didn't they call. I find, I just to me, a simple thing. When you say Jimmy, some na use no be phone na bibi kiti bi ba bibi kiti bi ba be no be atwa first so na Jimmy some kwasa some kwa because you guys suppose there's freedom of speech, anybody can talk anyhow. Jimmy some say mun sua hwe Jimmy kwa na bibi na Jimmy and so there no na manya company phobia say we were thinking say they are so enlightened no almost supporting him in a very bad way. Captain Smart, yeah, tell us, also a freedom fighter. Monta, where them come, moment, you guys call yourself freedom fighters. Montiase,